Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. So today I brought you this crochet hair tutorial. If you're interested in knowing how I install this crochet hair, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel and this is your first time, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. If you do like my videos, please do give it a thumbs up and do share with your friends and family. And also, if you love them, you subscribe to my channel. And let's get into the tutorials. So to begin my crochet hairstyle, I'll be using this crochet hair that I bought last year from Cameroon. It's a Bella collection crochet hair. I had to remove the paper because I didn't want it to weigh too much, so I had to remove everything. I don't have the exact name for the crochet hair, but this is how it looks inside. Closer look. So I just have them here because I took everything out from the pack and put it in one plastic bag and sellotaped it. So this is the crochet hair I'll be using. It was about 3 packs, but I guess I've misplaced some of them, so it should be about 2.5 packets now from what I am left with, because once I used it to crochet bantu knot on my hair. So yeah, so now so finally I conquered the devil by plaiting my own hair. This is the very first time I'm braiding my own hair. I am so happy I succeeded. I had to do it off camera because I virtually had to use 2 mirrors in my bathroom so that I can struggle to make it come out well. So this is my very first time of braiding my hair. I did all back and then I connected them 2-1 2-1 so that the back will not be as full as the front. And then I connected the individual braids to each other, and then I'm left with this one. So I'm going to crochet this one in to the other braids. Like so. Yeah, and we are going to start. So nothing much. I'm just going to grab my crochet needle, place it on the hook, close it, pull it out, open the hole, and then pass in the hair and secure it. Just like that. So I'm going to do that all through. So I'm done with the hair. This is the middle part. This is the final look. This side, the other side, and the back. So yeah, I'm going to try and look for the name of this crochet hair and put it in the description bar. And yeah,